Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nix Care. We have seen many videos of detergent liquid, dishwash liquid. Today we are going to show you the process of making 250 kilo dishwash liquid, which will cost you very less than you have ever think. I will show you the process of making 250 kilo dishwash liquid and you will get a great quality. You can start a business. I will show you how to make 250 liters dishwash liquid, which will cost you rupees 10 only, and I will guide you the process one by one live in our factory. Please be with us till end of the video. Let's start the process. For the 250 liters dishwash liquid, here is the formulation. Also you can check the description. Here attached the Excel sheet. For the first we have to take 250 liters capacity empty drum and take 100 liters RO water or DM water. Now we will add the preservative to make our liquid safe for the long time. We have three options: DMDM, sodium benzoate or phenoxyethanol. We have taken phenoxyethanol. You can see it's a liquid form. After preservative, we will add 5 kg salt in our batch. We do not have to dilute it. If you want to dilute it and use it, you can use it after SLES also. We have added 5 kg salt directly to our batch. After salt, we will take 1.6 kg caustic flakes to neutralize 10 kg lapsa. We have taken 1.6 kg caustic flakes and we will take 5 liters of water to dilute it. We will add Nix thickener powder 400 grams. The ratio is 160 gram per 100 kg batch. It is a cosmetic grade and a pH neutral. This thickener powder can be used in any detergent liquid, dishwash liquid, hand wash liquid. We will add Nix thickener powder in caustic diluted water so that it can be diluted very easily. See, we are adding thickener powder directly to the caustic solution water. You have to stir it well so that we do not get any lumps in our finished product. We have to wait till it gets diluted. See, it is getting diluted. Now this is a solution which is ready: caustic, water and thickener. We will add this solution to the batch. 400 gram thickener, caustic flakes and water. It will be mixed very easily. This is called a thickener solution. After we add a solution, we will wait for some time so that all material get mixed properly. After thickener and caustic, we will add 10 kg of lapsa, which can be called slurry too. See, we have taken 10 kg slurry. 92% slurry will be good to make any liquid detergent or a dishwash liquid. After we add a slurry, we will add 250 gram citric acid in our batch. Citric acid improves the transparency of our liquid and also helps to remove the stains. Now we will add some water and we will keep a space for 20 liters.
Now it's time to neutralize our liquid. We will keep 7 pH so that it doesn't harm to our skin. pH neutralization is very important. If our liquid is alkaline, we will add acid like citric acid or slurry. But our liquid is acidic, so we will add caustic water to make it alkaline. You can see the liquid is neutral now. Now after neutralization, we will add 2 kg SLES paste and we will dilute it in 15 liters of water. If you do not have SLES paste, you can add SLES liquid too. But the quantity will be increased. We will stir for 15 minutes so that all paste will be diluted in a water. Now we will add that SLS paste diluted water in our batch. Now we will add 1.5 kilograms CAPB, cocamidopropyl betaine. It helps to boost foaming and thickness of our liquid. We will add some colors. We are using yellow color. You can use green, yellow, anything you want. After color, we will add perfume. We are using lemon perfume, 100 ml. Now our batch is finished and we will add some remaining water. After 3 to 4 hours, you have to add some more water because the liquid bubbles has been stable now, and we have added some water and you can see the batch is ready. Thick, transparent and good quality liquid is ready.
Thank you for watching our video. As you have seen the whole process of making 250 liters dishwash liquid, now I will show you how it looks after making dishwash liquid.
See the thickness, the clarity of the product, and it is also good quality under 10 rupees.
Thank you for watching our video. If you really like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it, share it with your friends or whoever needs to start a new business making dishwash liquid. Please be with us for more videos.
Again, thank you for watching our videos. If you really like, please subscribe our channel, and for a thickener, please contact us on the given number.